Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to get drawing stickmen with an easy guide. We will start with the very basics, making it simple for anyone to follow along. First, grab a pencil and paper. You will begin by drawing a small, neat circle for the head. Then, draw a straight vertical line directly below it, which will form the stickman's body. This foundational step is crucial for building your figure. Now that you have the head and body, let's add the limbs. From the top of the body line, draw 2 lines extending outwards for the arms. These should be roughly equal in length. Next, from the bottom of the body line, extend 2 more lines downwards for the legs. For a more natural look, you can add tiny circles at the elbows and knees to represent joints, giving your stickman more flexibility. Making your stickman move is all about bending those lines. Instead of straight limbs, try bending the arm lines at the elbow circles and the leg lines at the knee circles. This allows you to create dynamic poses. Experiment with different angles to show actions like running, jumping, or even sitting. A slight bend can convey a lot of energy, bringing your simple figure to life on the page. To give your stickman a little more character, you can add some simple details. For hands and feet, just draw small, short lines at the end of the limbs. You can also add 2 tiny dots for eyes and a small curved line for a mouth on the head. Remember, the key to improving is consistent practice. The more you draw, the more confident and creative you will become with your stick figures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.